Hey, so I know I said last week that I would have a update on when my Etsy was going to reopen. I don't know the date just yet. End of year stuff with my day job and just all the works. I'm not sure when it's gonna be up, but it will be up soon, I promise. Within the next month, by the end of January, I'll give you that, okay? I'll give you that. But to see exactly when I'm gonna reopen before a YouTube video is posted, I'm gonna be posting it on my Instagram. The link to that is down below. Because I just don't know when it's gonna be, because right now it's a mystery. But speaking of mysteries, I bought ScrawlrBoxes. I got these on clearance. I only ever really buy these when because they're originally supposed to be like $35, 25 pounds, whatever the heck it's supposed to be. And I buy them when they're 5 pounds or around $6, $7 a piece. Now I bought two, but I don't know. The day I'm recording this, I just got my industrial pierced and I just accidentally hit it going to fix my hair. But anyway, I bought two, but I'm only gonna open one. I don't know which one I'm gonna open. I was just gonna keep which one was a mystery, but I know one of these has acrylic and one of them has watercolor. And right now, I just want to work in watercolor. So according to their website, the August of 2020 has acrylic paint, and then the April of 2021 has watercolor. I'll save you for another day. It's the beginning of a new year, and I kind of just want to lay back because I want to paint. Hey, I didn't actually look at the freaking... I got my eyebrow done too, and I just tapped that. I'm not having a good day. I just got it done. What time is it right now? Currently 9:30. I literally just got these done 2 hours ago. I'll take everything out before I hit something else on my face. There's the sticker. I have no idea what these are. China graph pencils? Oh, come on. This is like charcoal. I hate charcoal. 5 tubes of Della Rowney Aquafine watercolor in raw sienna. Hooker's green, I'm so mature. Alizarian crimson hue, Chinese white, lemon yellow, and ultramarine dark blue. Oh, yeah, I was kind of trying to ignore this one. I fucking hate water brushes. I might not actually use this. Oh, I love birds. 8 sheets of A5 watercolor paper, 300 GSM cold press. Be it. Two things in this I hate. Charcoal, well, it's not actually charcoal, they're called China Fine. The description, work on basically any surface, waterproof, but you can smudge them, so it's like charcoal. And then the fucking water brush. I guess I'm just gonna have to force myself to use it. It's so ugly. Let's do watercolor, she said. Apple pie and custard just doesn't look good. I'm not even gonna pay my sister to eat that one. And the challenge is birds of a feather. Baby! I know my subject. Is it ready, baby? Oh, I can do my new piercings in a painting with him. I'm gonna stop talking, mainly because I was in pain most of the time, and I'll start sketching. I'm gonna use a separate piece of paper to sketch. Do I have watercolor paper from them before? I do. It's literally the exact same thing, except this one has a blue cover. Okay, let's go paint me and my bird. He's my son, and I love him. Just got through the swatching and I used this old paper that I actually tested the Culture Hustle paints on, and then I also made my Seasonings greeting sticker on this, but I was like, I'm just gonna use this for swatching just because I don't think it's nice to waste an entire sheet of paper on that just to see how the colors are. But I was testing these, and as you saw, they broke like a bunch at first. I think it's because they're older, but I was looking at them and I was like, I have a much better idea for whatever I was gonna paint. I know I said I was gonna draw Zapdos with me because, you know, birds of a feather, you know, it's the theme, but I was like, why don't we draw Thunder and Virion, because they're like best friends, and I kind of think I know what I'm gonna do with them. And the only exception I'm making to this is I am using a pencil. These are not the best erasable ones, because I just feel better sketching in graphite, and we'll see how it goes from there.